Hello students. Today we are going to discuss one of the very important chapter of organic chemistry, which is not only important for your board exam, but it is also one of the important chapter for competitive exams like NEET, JEE and other exams. So let us start with the chapter which is called as amines. Now the very first thing comes is, what do you mean by amines? See, basically amines are the derivatives of ammonia. You know the formula of ammonia, it is NH3. Now what you do, you just remove one hydrogen atom of ammonia and replace it by alkyl group. So if you remove one hydrogen atom, the formula will become what? RNH2. Now RNH2 is one of the amine. Similarly, you can remove two hydrogen atoms and they can be replaced by two alkyl group, then you will be getting RRNH. It is also one of the amine. So likewise, three hydrogen atoms can also be removed and replaced by alkyl group. So all these three are amines. Now if you ask me, sir, instead of alkyl group or along with alkyl group, can hydrogen atom be replaced by aryl group? Yes, you can replace hydrogen atom of ammonia by aryl group, then in that case also you will be getting amines. So we can say amines, they are the derivatives of ammonia because they are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia by alkyl groups, right? Now if you ask me, sir, there are two or more alkyl groups attached. Now these two alkyl groups, they have to be same or they have to be different. The thing is, why there is a compulsion? They could be same like this. See, these two alkyl groups are same, or they could be different. So hydrogen atom can be replaced, hydrogen atom of ammonia can be replaced by same or different alkyl group, or even it can be replaced by aryl group. So they are amines. Now we'll try to put it in wording so that we'll get the proper definition of amines. See, amines, they are basically they are basic compound. Why are they basic? Because they have lone pair of electron which they can donate. So amines are basic organic compounds which are obtained from ammonia by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms by same or different alkyl group or even aryl group. I repeat, you must have understood this. Amines are basic organic compounds obtained from ammonia by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia by same or different alkyl or aryl groups. Okay, so that's the definition of amines. Next, we'll go for classification of amines. Amines are classified as primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amines. Now, what do you mean by primary amines? See, if one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by one alkyl group, then the formula becomes RNH2, then they are called as the primary amines. Their general formula is RNH2. And if you remove R, alkyl group, you will be getting the functional group. So the functional group of primary amine is bond NH2 and the name of that functional group is amino. If you want to write example, you can replace this R by any alkyl group. Here I have written methyl group, that is CH3. So this is methyl amine. Now what are secondary amines? If two hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by two alkyl groups, then the compound so obtained will be called as a secondary amine. So you can see here it is NH3 and two hydrogen atoms are replaced, so it is R2NH. The general formula of secondary amine is RRNH, or you can write as R2NH. The functional group will be bond NH, or the name of that functional group is imino. The example is ethyl methyl amine, and here I have written two different alkyl groups and they are attached to nitrogen atom. Similarly, students, we have tertiary amines. Now you must have understood that all three hydrogen atoms of ammonia, they are replaced by three alkyl group, and you got tertiary amine. The general formula is R3N, or it can be RRRN, and here these alkyl group, they may be same or they may be different. The functional group of tertiary amine is bond N, and the name, it doesn't have any particular name like amino or imino. They're simply called as a tertiary amine. Here example I have written as CH3 thrycine, that is trimethylamine, or in another example I have written all three alkyl groups different. Okay, there is a methyl group, there is a ethyl group, and there is the two alkyl groups are same. Here it is ethyl. I have written in different format. You can see C2H5 or CH2 CH3. So this is diethyl methylamine. So this is a tertiary amine. So I'll just repeat. If one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by one alkyl group, we get primary amine, 2, then secondary amine, 3, then tertiary amine. General formula is RNH2, secondary amine R2NH, tertiary amine R3N. Functional group, primary amine bond NH2, secondary amine bond NH, and tertiary amine is bond N. Name of functional group of primary amine is bond NH2, that is amino. Here the name is imino, and this one is tertiary amine only. Then next we have classification of secondary and tertiary amines. Students, secondary and tertiary amines are further classified as simple amine or mixed amine, or you can call simple symmetrical amine or mixed and unsymmetrical amine. If the alkyl groups which are attached to the functional group, that is nitrogen atom, if they are same, then this will be called as the simple or symmetrical amine. They cannot be different, or they shouldn't be different, right? They are same, then it is simple amine. And if the two alkyl groups or two or more which are attached to nitrogen atom, if they are different, then this will be mixed or unsymmetrical amine. So I repeat, if the alkyl groups which are attached to nitrogen atom are same, then it is simple amine, and if the alkyl groups are different, then it will be mixed amine. And you can have a look at the examples. Here simple amine, the two alkyl groups are same. It is a tertiary amine where all three alkyl groups attached to functional group are same. Then we have examples of mixed amine also, where we have the different alkyl groups attached to the nitrogen atom. Here we have methyl and ethyl, and here you can have a look. All three alkyl groups are different. One is methyl, another is ethyl, and third one is N-propyl. So this is the further classification of secondary and tertiary amine. Okay. Then before going to next topic, just we'll solve some questions like what are amines. So already I have discussed amines are basic organic compounds which are obtained from ammonia by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms by same or different alkyl or aryl groups. Then how will you classify amines? Yes, amines can be classified as primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Next question is, write general formulae and examples of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. You know the general formulae, and you know their examples, so you can try this. Next question, classify following compounds into primary, secondary and tertiary amines. So will you tell me, student, just have a look at this example and which type of amine is this? Yes, correct. It is primary amine. Just see the second example. Here it's tertiary amine or primary amine. What is it, students? It is not tertiary amine, students. It is primary amine. This carbon atom is tertiary because it is attached to three other carbon atoms. But the functional group is NH2 and bond NH2 is primary amine. So this is a little tricky. So don't get confused by the nature of carbon atom, because in other functional group we see the nature of carbon atom, and accordingly we call it as primary, secondary or tertiary. But here we need to see the functional group, that is NH2, NH or N. So it's a primary amine. Then we have this one also primary amine, because here the functional group is bond NH2. Now which amine is this, students? So here you can clearly see these are the three alkyl groups and they are attached to the nitrogen atom. So it's a tertiary amine. Okay. Then which one is this? No, it's not tertiary. Is it primary? No. Correct? What you're thinking is correct. It's secondary amine because the two alkyl groups are attached to the functional group, that is N, and here it is NH, that is imino group. Okay. Which example is this? Which type of amine is this? So here there is one alkyl group and there is one aryl group, and they are attached to the nitrogen atom. Functional group is bond NH, that is imino, so it's a secondary amine. Okay students, so in next lecture we will be discussing the preparation of amines. Bye.